Hello Dnation and welcome to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, for a change, we are going to be unboxing a couple of assorted 1/64th scale diecast cars manufactured by Hot Wheels and do a comparison with a diecast car manufactured by a company called Teamsterz Metal. And these are the 5 different cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels and Teamsterz diecast cars come in their respective signature cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast cars look quite amazing and have a good build quality and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details and have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 5 tuned themed diecast cars that I grouped together for this episode. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these diecast cars. So let's begin with Octane, which is from the Hot Wheels Game Over series. Well, I love this funky looking diecast model and its unique sturdy bodywork. And it looks awesome with its orange paint job, graphics and decals. And I love this dune buggy stance on this one that makes it the model that stands out from the rest. Overall an eye catcher and a stunner. Next up we have Quickbite, which is from the Hot Wheels Metro series. And as you can see, this is a beautiful and a fun diecast model of a truck with some stunning and vibrant graphics and decals that go with the ice cream truck theme. An absolute stunner and overall an awesome diecast variant and a definite must-have. Next up is the cool one, which is from the Hot Wheels Tooned series. And off the bat, I love this funky and cool looking truck with its glossy white paint job and amazing graphics and decals. And the chrome work on this truck makes this ice cream truck replica stand out from the rest. A real elegant and amazing diecast replica truck and a cool one indeed. And what we're looking at now is Buns of Steel, which is from the Hot Wheels Fast Foodie series. Well, being a foodie, I really love this unique and fun truck, and the bodywork on this truck is a one-off and topped up with a cheeseburger and a serving of fries. Well, definitely a fun and unique truck, and I'm glad I got this one for my collection. And finally we have the TM119 from the Teamsterz Metal collection, and this is a SUV diecast replica that stands out with its custom paint job, and I threw this car in the mix so we could take a look at it, especially side by side with the Hot Wheels cars, and see the difference for ourselves. But overall I'm glad that I had this car to throw it into the mix and glad to add these variants to my collection as well, because at the end of the day the quality, the build and the paint on these diecast cars are quite decent, and overall this is an amazing diecast car. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels cars and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode along with the mix of a car from Teamsterz Metal. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now being made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a special edition collector's series as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000 US. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as tail lights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these diecast cars that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below whether you like the Hot Wheels cars or the Teamsterz Metal car. And also as to which one of these cars are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.